Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a chicken tortellini salad. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you're enjoying this show from. Like I said, we're going to be making a chicken and tortellini salad. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 3 cups of cheese-filled tortellini, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, quarter cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken, half a cup of thawed peas, half a cup of sliced green onions, half a cup of chopped parsley, 5 basil leaves, and about 4 grape tomatoes. Recipe is in the description box in the first pinned comment, so check that out when you get a chance. But let's go ahead and start building our salad. Alright, the beauty of this is you really don't need to make anything any different. All you have to do is go out and buy the ingredients. You probably need to steam this off and cook the tortellini, but other than that, it's a pretty simple, down-to-earth recipe. I got our tortellini in there. I'm going to throw our half a cup of olive oil, our chicken. Go ahead and give that a stir. I'm going to add our Worcestershire and our garlic. We got our lemon juice. Give it up another stir. I'm going to hit it with a little salt and pepper just to help balance everything out. Stir that up. Now we got our peas. We got our tomatoes, we got our basil, we have our chopped green onions, and our parsley, and whip that all up. Parmesan cheese, whoa, that was close. Parmesan cheese in there. We're going to go ahead and let this sit for just a minute. I'm going to plate it up in a different bowl. We are going to take a lot of pictures of it after we clean up this mess I just made. We're going to take some pictures of it. We're going to come back and we're going to give it a taste. Don't go away. Some beautiful shots, the green and the red and the white. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste, and we'll see. Get a little tortellini in there first. Chicken. My favorite. First thing I'm getting is the texture of the tortellini. Got that bite, toothiness to it. And then you got the chicken. It's got a softer bite and a different texture. The olive oil brings it all together. You can taste the lemon juice in there and the garlic. And then you get that basil and the tomato in there. It's a wonderful salad, easy to make. Most of the stuff, all the stuff is in the grocery store. You can find your Parmesan cheese. It's probably right next to where the tortellini is. So, peas give it a nice, delightful color, but easy to make. Anywhere you want to go, take a salad to a potluck or a dinner or a holiday meal. Bring something different. Bring this. Everybody will love it. So thanks a lot for watching. We made this tortellini chicken salad. It's very good. Go ahead and get the recipe down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Enjoy having you here today. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.